Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off HDCP on PS5 console. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, select HDMI. Under HDMI, here we can find enable HDCP. You can see right now HDCP has been enabled. Let me disable. Done. So now I have disabled HDCP. So if you want to enable, we can again enable here. See, this way we can turn on or off HDCP. See the message. If you turn off these settings, some games and apps cannot be used. Okay, so this way we can turn off or on HDCP in PS5 console. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.